Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn try except in Python. So the try block lets you test a block of code for errors, and the except block lets you handle the error. And there is also an else block lets you execute code when there is no error. And also we have a finally statement in our try except. That block test lets you execute code regardless of the result of the try and except block. So let's look at some examples. For example, if we have there just simply print, and this we pass some variable x or y, and it will going to show us an error. Like if we run that, you will going to see that name x is not defined. So here we can use our try except, like if we say like this. So here we also did not define that x, and if we use that try except, it will going to show us an error saying an exception occurred. So if we save that and run that, you will see an exception occurred in the terminal. So when an error occurs or exception as well, Python will normally stop and generate an error message. So these exceptions can be handled using the try statement. In try blocks, there is an error and except block will be executed. Without the try block, the program will crash and raise an error. So there are also many exceptions, like if we see with the another exception. So here we have used except name error statement. So if I run that, you will going to see that we have declared there variable x is not defined, and we are seeing that in the terminal. And also there are other statements in try except, which is our else statement. If we use that, it will going to try that, print and except, and else nothing went wrong. If we run that, you will see it will going to show us nothing went wrong. And also we have finally. So in finally, it will going to run that finally statement whether our try except failed. So if we just run that, it will going to show us that try except is finished. So finally block it specified will execute it regardless if the try block raises an error or not. So that can be very useful to close objects and clean up our resources. So that's it guys for this video.